Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So today we'll discuss important updates from the last week, and there are so many updates. So this video is going to be longer, and according to that, we will analyze the Nifty Bank chart to find out important levels for the next week. So to know the all updates and the Nifty Bank levels, stay connected till end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for stock market updates. So I'm going to share some important important news for from the last week, and then we'll check the Nifty Bank chart. So first of all, let me share the important MPC meeting outcome which happened and concluded last week on 5th of December. It started from 3rd to 5th, and 5th the outcome has come. I'll share some important outcome which is very important to know. The RBI has decided to cut the repo rate by 25 pieces, means 0.25%. So 0.25% से रेट कट हुआ है to 5.2%. So earlier it was 5.50%, and from 5.50% say now it has reduced to 5.25% by 0.25%. Okay, तो 0.25% से रेपो रेट रिड्यूस हुआ है, कट हुआ है, विच इज अ थम्स अप फॉर द stock market. And even the stock market was expecting the rate cuts, and this happened, and even they have the stock market, the Nifty has reacted on this on even Friday. So this was a very good news from the RBI. The second news is that the RBI has increased their expectation. They have increased their GDP growth expectation for financial year of 26 by 7.3% versus 6.8%, means ये भी 0.5. Okay, means 6.8 से 7.3 means 0.50% expectation estimate, या वी कैन से फोरकास्ट इसको बढ़ाया है, इंक्रीज किया है, हाइक किया है for what? For GDP growth. As I already in my last week I had discussed the GDP growth, and it was unexpected, beaten all the estimate, came to 8.3%. You can check in my last video. I have shared this update of GDP growth. So now the RBI has expected and hiked the GDP growth by 7.3% versus 6.8% earlier. Earlier it was 6.8%. So it has been increased. So this is also a very good news because RBI is expecting the good GDP growth for the next year. MPC decided to continue with a neutral stance, no negative, no positive, means RBI is hopeful for the growth, and MPC decided to continue with the neutral stance. And number three, RBI has cut the inflation forecast also. matlab they are expecting the lower inflation for the financial year of 2026, and they have cut the forecast फ्रॉम 2.6% टू 2%, मतलब कि 2.6% से नीचे हो गया 2%. तो इतना भी इन्फ्लेशन नहीं गिरना चाहिए, बिकॉज देयर इज अ बैंड ऑफ 2% to 6%. Still it within the band 2% to 6%. So RBI is expecting the inflation should go down. I have discussed the important things. Now we will discuss some important update from the Nifty Bank, because I'm going to analyze the chart. So before that, I have to discuss this important information also, news also, that the Nifty Bank is now going to include the two important bank, and in the Nifty Bank index from December 31st. So please pay attention. Nifty Bank में two banks. So there is two bank names are Yes Bank and the second one is Union Bank. These two banks, Yes Bank and Union Bank of India, to join the Nifty Bank Index from 31st December. So it will be affected from the from this year only, 2025 December 31st. So these two new member, Yes Bank and Union Bank of India, will be from the Nifty Bank Index. So this is very important, and this is a good news for these two stock of Yes Bank and Union Bank of India also. And now I have come to the chart, and quickly let's discuss the chart. I have opened the weekly chart so that I can show you all the long term scenario of the Nifty Bank. And there is an important thing I found, that there is again a very good pattern I want to show you also, that you can understand all these patterns and their breakouts, also their neckline. So I'm showing this pattern which I'm seeing. I found that this is a head and shoulder pattern is actually getting formed in Nifty Bank weekly chart. I have opened this weekly chart, and you can see here one, this is a head, this is a shoulder, sorry, this is the head, and again this is a another shoulder. And here you can see, if you can zoom it out, here already the breakout already happened here. This is the neckline, the breakout happened here. This is this Nifty Bank has broken this week this neckline and even closed above that. But last week, which I'm talking about last week, it has touched the 60,000, which I kept discussing that the 60,000 around is a very important resistance. And you can see here the 60,100 exactly the high, the new all time high, I can say. So Nifty Bank again hit the new all time high, I can say, the new record high, which is 60,114 exact, if I say 16,100 around. So 60,100 already the Nifty Bank has touched and taken resistance. From there it has fallen and again retested. It has given a breakout and touched the 60,100 level and took the resistance, retested to the neckline, which is 59,000, I can say, neckline 500, around 59,500. Again it has closed above this neckline, so it has not broken this neckline. Till it is not breaking this neckline, I can say it may go up, may take a reversal and go even beyond this record high level, make a new all time high, new record high. बट अगर ये ब्रेक कर देता है दिस नेकलाइन, सो इट विल बी अ लिटिल बिट, may cool off for some time, may go till this level of 57,700, around 57,700. After this 20 EMA line, which is 57,000. Okay, so 57,000, 57,700 will be an important support, but only after breaking this neckline, which is 59,500, I can say roughly. So 59,500 के around you have to keep watch for the next week. We'll see. I will update in my weekly video next week. But we need to watch this record high level of 60,100 or ये neckline level of 59,500. And then if it's breaking this, you have to watch this level of 57,700 and then 57,000, which I'm not thinking for the next week at least. I will go to the 57,000 only after breaking this neckline. So need to watch in the next week what is going to happen, what is happening. After breaking 60,100 level, of course it the 60,600, around 60,500 may come. But that I will discuss, that level I will discuss only after breaking 60,100, as there is a lot of good news there, as I discussed of RBI meeting outcomes and Nifty Bank का वो तो खैर stock specific है. So all these I just discussed may give a boost to stock market, and we may see even more records high in coming weeks. So need to watch very closely this 60,100. If this has been broken, the new record high may 60,500 or 600 for the short term, even for the next week. तो अभी मैं वो लेवल नहीं डिस्कस कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज लेट इट ब्रेक फर्स्ट 60,100. So overall, this pattern and this neckline and this important resistance which Nifty Bank has taken, which is record high, and these important support after breaking this neckline. So overall, I will discuss again the Nifty Bank important mention. I will mention the support and resistance again. I'm going to share the important global market update and USD INR important levels, and with the chart I will discuss, because the INR is hitting record low and very important to discuss and to keep close watch on this. And I am going to share everything in detail in next tomorrow in next video, Nifty 50 levels video, tomorrow on Sunday. So for the Nifty 50 levels and INR USD INR level, please check tomorrow video also. Nifty Bank level I will mention again. Important support 59,500, and then 50